Of you. Hope you're doing good. Today's our topic is how to fix a hacked WordPress website, how injected WordPress website, how to retrieve the injected WordPress website. So you know that WordPress is easy and lightweight content management system. So most of the websites are developed and most of the developers are prefer WordPress and bloggers also prefer WordPress for developing their own website or blog. So everybody know the structure of the WordPress, so it's easy to hack. If any small loopholes will make hackers to find out that and go through your codes, inject their own codes and redirect your website. So in this topic, we are going to discuss how to fix that, how to find out that. So suppose we have an hacked website. When you search in Google, you can see that the website indexed in with spam files. Here in this session, we have Google here to check out all the indexed files. When I'm checking this, I find out a lot of unwanted pages is actually not there in the website. So how it happened? I'm sure that somebody hacked the website and somebody injected some malware code in the WordPress main files. So one of the common is all files end with HTML. So they did some programming with .html files. So I'm sure that somewhere the common files are affected. So we know that there are few common files in WordPress like header files, config files, settings files, and function files. I don't know all the files, and I opened settings file and check out anything wrong. I didn't find anything wrong. Then I check with config file. I went through each line, nothing I found. Then I went to function. I went through each function, nothing is there. I went through each file like that. Common files, like a lot of common files are there, 10 to 20 files. You have to download everything and search one by one. Then finally I search for function.php. Function.php also, nothing was not there. Then again I opened one more file, index.php. Index.php, top of the file, I shall to see some other files are injected there. It's not there in the general structure. So here is the culprit. How they added the code, they have added some functions and they're injecting that function. After that, they're redirecting to the website. So here is the culprit. I removed all the files and saved the file and uploaded that file back. After that, when I check on this, it's redirected me to page not found further. But unfortunately, the next day, the same virus came back with the same files. So when I did this frequently 2-3 times, this happened many times back. So I'm sure that some other files are affected. So most of the affected files, you know that the external files are plugin files and theme files. So I checked each themes, nothing I found. Then I went through each plugin file. Finally, I opened some of the plugin simple job board and search for the plugin files. and open every file. I shocked to see there is malware code there in one of the PHP files inside the plugin files. So I'm sure that this is the culprit. I deleted that file and uploaded all the file back, and I used all the freshly downloaded WordPress and theme and plugin also. I used the fresh one only. After that, I retrieved my back to my website, and I index page I already submitted in the webmaster. Then all the files are retrieved back. Within 2 weeks, all the indexed files are removed. Malware files are removed from the Google, and my website is safe now. I can use my website without any malware and spam. Thank you.